Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you what is in our new mini kit. It is adorable, it is called Sloth Pals and you are going to love these guys. So in the kit you are going to get this sweet little cutter part which is great for your cards and some lovely words to use on this little laser cut. This is the stamp. So cute, these little sloths and the little coffee cups and everything, it's adorable. And there's this stencil which is called Sprinkle Stencil, which is really original and very cool. This is the little inspirational book that you get in the kit, and our DT have done an amazing job. Sam Claby has done this cute card with the sloths. I just do love that. Joe Herbert also has got that gorgeous little slothy in the coffee cups. Ashley McGregor's got a couple of cute ones in here, and this one is a perfect one just to show that if you're not confident in colouring, just don't. These guys are adorable all on their own. Okay, Jenny has done this adorable blending with inks in the background and coloured that cute little guy in. And this is another one of Ashley's. And here we go, another one by Sam. Look at this little guy balancing those cups. And another one by Jenny. So really great use of the stamp and the die. Another one by Joe. And there's going to be plenty more ideas and inspiration on our blog throughout the month. This is an additional fussy cutting die that goes with the stamp set that you can purchase additionally if you don't want to do the fussy cutting by yourself. So this kit is worth $27. It is up on our website now for pre-order. It will also be available at your local store if they stock our products to purchase from the 20th of May. You can jump over to our website www.uniquelycreative.com.au just to check it out. Thanks guys, till next time, bye.